In today's tutorial, we'll discuss converting PDF pages to image files using IronPDF in Python. Hello, everybody. Welcome to this tutorial. As I said, we'll be converting PDF pages to image files using IronPDF in Python. We'll be working with an existing PDF file for today's purposes, and we'll also be generating a PDF from a URL. So first, let's start by importing IronPDF into our Python project and loading an existing PDF file. We use the PDF document.fromFile method to open the PDF file named ironpdf.pdf, and this gives us access to the content in the PDF. Next, we'll extract all the pages in this PDF and save them as image files. We use the rasterize to image files method, specifying the output path and the desired DPI. In this case, we save the images in the assets/images folder with the 96 DPI resolution, naming each file as PDF to image page *.png, where asterisk will represent the page number. Now let's initiate the render object and generate a PDF from a URL. We use the render URL as a PDF method to create a PDF from the URL google.com. The Google image homepage will be saved in the assets/images folder with the name URL to image *.png and a 96 DPI resolution. Additionally, we can specify fixed image sizes when extracting PDF pages to images. We use the rasterize to image files method and with additional parameters for a maximum height and width. Here we save the images with a maximum width and height of 500 pixels and a higher resolution of 200 DPI, naming them fixed image size *.png. So let's go ahead and run the project and wait for the output. All right, let's review our generated output images. Here we have the rasterized images. Each page of the PDFs has been saved as separate PNG files in the assets/images folder. And these images showcase different resolutions, sizes based on our specifications. And that's it. That's your tutorial on rasterizing PDFs using IronPDF in Python. All right, we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you like some more videos from us. And if you'd like to try out our software and you haven't done so firsthand, go to our site, sign up for the trial, download and install the package, and check it out for yourself.